day. Welcome to First Class Tutorials. I am Tokboy Omotere, the tutor for History 300 level students. Today we'll be looking at the word history, as well as historiography and the philosophy of history. In this tutorial class, I expect you, to, by the end of the class, be able to define history from different perspectives, and as well as bring in your own idea as a 300 level student about what history actually means. If you look at the screen, the first thing is, what is history? To you, as a historian, you will also agree with so many people that the word history has to do with the past. And so many people do say that history is a story of people in the past. But historians take this view to be shallow. We do not accept this to be a total description of our discipline. We are right, because the general public does not have the training we have as a historian. So the experience of historians in terms of training, in terms of research, in terms of studying the past is what eventually led us into defining history from a scientific angle. The meaning of history to a historian is therefore deeply rooted in methods that are classified